Hello students, now I am going to discuss trick to find block, period number and group number. We know that in periodic table, four blocks are there. What are those? S block, P block, D block and F block. And 7 periods are there. How many periods are there? 7 periods are there and 18 groups are there. Now I will discuss how to find block, period number and group number. To find out block, we have to see last electron enters into which subshell. For example, last electron present in S subshell, it is called as S block element. If last electron present in P subshell, it is called as P block element. To find out period, we have to see maximum shell number. For example, one atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. If you observe, this is the first shell, this is second shell. Which is the maximum shell number? 2 is the maximum shell number. That's why that atom belongs to second period. Next, group number. For S block elements, group number is equal to ns electrons. What is n? N equal to valence shell or last shell number. Valence shell number or last shell number. For P block elements and D block elements also, we write ns electrons. Along with that, in case of P block, very simple. Np electrons, we have to see Np electrons. In case of D block elements, very simple. N minus 1 into D electrons. N minus 1 into D. Look at this. For S block elements, only ns electrons. P block elements, ns P block right plus Np. D block elements, ns D block right plus N minus 1 into D. Here it is very important. For P block, along with Np, we should add 10 also and 10 also. Okay, and here what is this n minus 1? Very simple. For example, n equal to 4s. Here n minus 1 into D means 4 minus 1, 3d. 4s, 3d. F block belongs to third group. Next, F block is divided into two series, 4f series, 5f series. 4f series, atomic number started with 58, ended with 71, and 5f series, atomic number started with 90, ended with 103. This 4f series is present in 6th period and 5f series is present in 7th period. Let us do some example. Beryllium, oxygen. Beryllium atomic number 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Oxygen atomic number 8, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In description box I have given one link. It belongs to trick to write electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. You can refer that. Look at this. In beryllium, 2s is valence shell. Valence shell means last shell. In oxygen, 2s and 2p is valence shell. 2 is the valence shell. So here, in case of beryllium, last electron present in the S subshell. That's why it is S block. In case of oxygen, last electron present in the P subshell. That's why it is P block. Next, in case of beryllium, this is the second shell. This is the maximum shell number is 2. That's why 2. Here also maximum shell number is 2. That's why 2. It is S block element, right? Look at this. For S block elements, group number equal to ns electrons. Here how many electrons are present? 2 electrons are present. 2. That's why group number is 2. Next, for P block elements, ns and np plus 10. So here S electrons are 2, P electrons are 4. So 2 plus 4 plus 10 we have to add equal to 16. So it is 16th group. Third example, vanadium. Vanadium atomic number 23, electronic configuration argon 4s2, 3d3. First, block. What is block? last electron enter into which subshell? D subshell, right? That's why D block. Next, period. For period, you have to see the maximum shell number. This is 4, this is 3. Which is maximum? 4 is the maximum. That's why fourth period. And what about group? It is the D block elements, right? For D block elements, we have to add S electrons and N minus 1 into D electrons. That's why 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Fifth group. Next example, gadolinium 64. The 64 is between 58 and 71. That's why it is 4F series. So F block elements, and 4F series is belongs to 6th period. That's why 6th period, and always F block elements are third group. Test: find out period number and group number of aluminum and iron. Write your answer in comment box. Next, I will upload find out group number and period number of elements having atomic number more than 30. In description box I have given trick to write electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. You can refer and you can try for aluminum and iron. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel and support this channel and share this video to your classmates and friends. Thanks for watching.